move. Let's get this backpack off of him.
No, don't even move the backpack. Just wait. Right there. Sit down.
Just lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
Here.
Lay down. Lay down.
You good?
No.
Scared the shit out of me, bro.
No. No. He hit it hard.
I know.
He needs to lay down. He needs to lay down. Y'all call 911?
Hold on, real quick. Hold on. I didn't see it.
Let's get this backpack.
Feel any pressure anywhere, Garrett?
Yes.
What? You feel any pressure?
Come on, you gotta lay down. You've got to lay down, okay? You've got to lay down.
I'm good.
No, you're not.
Just lay down for